First, cut all vegetables such as carrots, cabbage, potatoes, spring onion, and garlic into a small pieces. Second, cut the chicken into small pieces. Third, mix gochujang, soy sauce 1 spoon, sugar 3 spoon, and salt half a spoon. If it's too spicy, you can add sugar according to your taste. For gochujang, I made it myself because if you buy at the market, it is not halal. How to make it is very easy. Add 1 cup water and boil it. Add a half glass of sugar, then add 2 tablespoons of salt. After boiling, you can turn off the stove and mix 2 packs of chili powder, and the gochujang was finished. After the sauce and vegetable are finished, put the garlic that has been cut into small pieces in the oil. After that, add chicken into the oil and garlic. And then stir the chicken until cooked. After the chicken finishes, add vegetables like potatoes and carrot. Add water to the chicken and vegetable. After cooking, add spring onion, and cabbage. Wait 2 minutes. After that, put sauce on the vegetable and chicken. Wait for 5 minutes until cooked. You can stir the vegetable and chicken together. Spicy Korean chicken vegetable almost finished. You just have to wait until the water is a little dry. Spicy Korean vegetable finish. You can move it to a plate. For those of you who like it spicy, you can add more gochujang.